So if you're having this issue where your essential add-ons for Elementor and your Elementor Pro aren't working and they're just loading like this, right? It's a pain in the ass. Sorry for my bad language. All right, now how do we solve this? Now what you need to do is, first of all, you'd need to go over to your cPanel. Now I've opened this in a new tab, so we'll go over to my back end. How you get here, you just log in to your back end on your cPanel, and then you go to File Manager. So if you can't find File Manager here, you just type File Manager in here, but I can see it here, so I'll just click on it. I've already opened it in the new tab. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go to public.html. you're going to click on it. All right, I've already clicked on it, so I'm just trying to save time. All right, what's happening to my network now? If the next part you're going to go to is, you're going to go to wp-config.php. now if you're using just one website, then you're going to find it here. But if you're like me and you're having different websites, like here I'm having a website here, so I'm just going to tap on this. But if you're having one website, you're going to see it on that first page. So I'm going to click on wp-config.php and I'll right click on it and go ahead and click on edit. Alright, I've already opened it here. Now what you're just going to do is you're going to insert this code. Now look at it. In the wp.php we have a lot of codes here, so you just go down, just below the table prefix, the php underscore. Okay, you can just put some, you can just put a space underneath it, and then you're gonna paste in this code. Click on paste. I'm just gonna put this on the same line. All right, now you're just gonna click on save. Okay, success. Now we're gonna go back to Elementor and reload the page. So you're gonna get the code right in the description of this video, so just get it there and use it. Here it is, it's working. It's no longer having that issue, so you can go ahead and thank me now. Right, so this is how to get rid of that error, and then you can have access to your essential add-ons for Elementor. Alright, that's it for this video. If you got value from this, type value in the comment section and give me a like so more people can see this video. Alright, take care. It's your boy John Ash. I'll see you in another video. Peace.